This your boy Heartless back again with another video. Today we're doing the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This time I got it in army gray. I was thinking between this and the actual the silver, but I decided to get this one in 64 gigabytes as you can see. Let's go ahead and start with this unboxing. So the first thing when you take it out the box, you're meted with the phone itself. You see in a Gillette shaver camera hump. Now let's go ahead and put this to the side first. Now you got the booklet with all of the instructions. Inside of here you get the actual SIM ejector tool and the iPhone troll stickers. Go ahead and put that on the back of anybody who has an Android phone, because you know they got one iPhone secretly, they just can't get one. Giggity, just kidding. Now on top of here you also have the actual headphones, which are lightning, and you finally have a fast charger. At 18 watt at that. Normally it was 5 watts. Thank God they finally upgraded it like everybody else. Now with the phone, let's take off the wrapper. Now with this one, the actual all the pictures you see, normally the pictures do a justification, but it really doesn't. In person it looks so much better. If you've seen any iPhone within the past couple years, they look exactly the same. Nothing has changed. Now with this also, let's go ahead and get this powered on. I had an iPhone XR and I also had an iPhone XS Max. The reason why I went with this one over the iPhone XS Max is honestly because the battery for me under that phone wasn't good enough, and the iPhone XR, the battery was much better, but the screen wasn't good enough. So with this one, it combines the best of both worlds. You have the good battery, the great battery actually, with a great camera on top of that with a great display. So with this, I'll go ahead and set this up later, but I just had to give you guys a quick laugh and just look at my internet name. I'll come back now with the actual unboxing of my case and also the screen protector. See you guys in a moment. So now we have the tempered glass screen protector. So I like these over the plastic ones. And I also have a Spigen clear case because of course I want to see all this iPhone army green in its whole glory. So first off, we're going to start off by opening the screen protector. Take it out the package. It comes in a little plastic carrying case for some reason. Inside of this plastic carrying case, the first thing you're meted with is like a little small plastic thing with everything inside of there. Only thing that's not in there is the actual screen protectors themselves, which in this case it comes with 3. I ordered all of these off of Amazon, so they were very inexpensive. So let's first start off with taking everything out the plastic. Once you take everything out, the first thing that you're actually greeted with, the first is a little tempered glass, little pamphlet. You got your microfiber cleaning cloth. You have a couple dust removers just in case you have some dust on your phone so it won't get up on your screen protector. You have a pink and green wet and dry cloth. And then you have like a little warranty book and everything else like that because it comes with a little warranty. So I'm going to try to see what we can do here if anything would have happened, if you can get one free. So first thing I want to do is turn the phone actually off. Once I turn that off, I got the microfiber cleaning cloth. This is basically just to get all your fingerprints and everything else off the phone. So when you put your screen protector on, you're not seeing that up under it, which, you know, for me, I'm a little bit OCD, so I always like to make sure that's done first. Now after that, we got a wet and a dry wipe. So let's take one of these off, tear it open. I like to make sure both of them are sitting outside so that way after I'm finished cleaning it off with the wet one, I can immediately dry it off. I don't have to worry about getting the little squirrels and everything else on the screen, kind of like when you're washing a car. So first thing, let's wet the whole screen up. It's basically to get any debris or anything that's on there off. Let's wet the whole screen. After that, we're going to go ahead and immediately put that to the side and get the dry one out and dry it off. Make sure you get the whole phone, not leaving anything out from all the edges, even the little chin up here on top of the phone. Well, forehead, I guess you would call it. After that, I like to go ahead right back over it with the microfiber cleaning cloth one more time just to make sure everything is off here and is very clean. Now, what we can go ahead and do is get this screen protector out. Like I said, it came with 3 different screen protectors, so I had already took one out of the actual plastic itself. And of course, the first screen protector I get is broken. What's going on? But I guess we'll see if that warranty covers that since I had it on film taking it out the box. Let's get the second one out. This one surprisingly isn't broken. So first thing we're going to do is take the plastic off of here. Let's go ahead and grab it with my right hand, which is my dominant hand, and hold the phone with my left hand. Now you want to make sure you align the forehead precisely, so that way when it goes on, it just slaps on easily. Now press down in every corner. Start from the bottom, or you can start from the top, whichever is best, and go all the way through until you see it's completely flush with your phone. After that, I personally like to take the microfiber cleaning cloth, go back over it one more time, just to make sure all of the fingerprints and everything is actually off the screen protector itself. Now, from there, we have that on nice and clean. This is how it should look once it's done. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Now let's go ahead and take the speaking clear case out of the actual, out of the wrapper or out of the actual box. It actually comes in a wrapper itself inside of the box, which is just like Spigen if you ever had any of Spigen's cases before. Now, on here it actually has two different plastics on here, so make sure you take these on before take these off before you put your phone inside the case. So first, we're going to take the one that's off on the back, and then go inside of the case itself, and then you'll take the other screen protector off. Fairly painless if you have a little bit of nails. If not, you can get a small little knife and take it off. Once you do that, me personally, I like to go ahead and take the microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe inside, because sometimes you'll touch inside of there and then it's a fingerprint on it. And let's say if you're trying to wipe the outside of it, you're like, yo, where is this? And you have to take the whole phone out, which ends up being a pain in the butt. Go ahead and turn it over. I like to wipe it one more time, give it that full effect so you can go ahead and see that shine and everything else. Go ahead and clean these camera lenses off as well, just in case if I touch them or anything like that, because you know this whole phone is based upon your actual cameras. And that's about it. Clean the screen off one more time. So that's the screen protector and also the actual iPhone itself. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and I'm going to be doing a review, so if you have any questions, put them down there as well. Thank you. Have a good day.